On today's video, we're going to replace a Symmons shower cartridge. It's leaking all the way down into the sales office. Rub your handle. Remove the set screw on the bottom of the handle. It's a T10. Symmons cartridge. Let's see what we can do about it. We're going to go ahead and remove the cartridge here. Remove this packaging. Make sure you shut the water off. Just remove this stem here. Okay. Look at our gasket here. Alright. Okay, we have two seats in here. Let's look at the seats, how they are. Take a look at our seats. One here and one back there. Now remove the cap assembly from your cartridge. Very fucked up. Lube and replace the O-ring on your cap assembly and install it back on the cartridge, on your new cartridge. They're nice and snug, guys. Just like that.
This is low, dude. No, it's not my mom's box.
Engineering comment, please.
Now we put the handle back on. The set screw is a T10. T10, guys. Alright. Goes right down here in the bottom. There it is, guys. It's ready. We're gonna go charge the water and then come back and test it. Okay, let's go ahead and test it out. There it is there. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.